Today, we're here with both cars. This is for service and maintenance. This is for service as well. And mid pipes, intake, and a stage 1 tune, which hopefully goes smoothly and doesn't quickly come, which I doubt it will. We're gonna find out soon. Oof, some meat. There's rubber everywhere, eh? Fucking rubber everywhere. How's the fan doing? Can't tell. Yeah, we got genuine filter in it from last time. Never mind, you can't see it. You cannot see it. Good. F6 is done, serviced. Didn't really need anything. I am surprised. We both are. Tyres still good. Brakes still good. These fuckers still have tread on them, somehow, after everything it's done. But yeah, that's alright. We move. Now it's time for this. This fucker. So mid pipes, they tell you to change the mid pipes, but they're already decatted from factory. So I don't know what the fuck we're meant to do then. Maybe change them again. I don't know. Like, it doesn't make sense at all. So loud. The blow off on it is so loud, man. Right, on the intake, I'm gonna take the cover off. There's a screw there. Screw there. This comes out. All the screws there. Then you take that out. And then the pipe. And that's about it. And we've got the front part, the rear pipe off the turbo, the bottom section of the box, and the top section. Bottom section's fucking carbon fibre, but you're not going to even see it. Look at that weave. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, alright, so there's a sensor back here, you gotta undo that. There's a mounting bolt here that connects with the new heat shield, and then all you gotta use is just the proper turbo feed in, and that's literally it. It's fucking easier than that car, easier than that shit. Yeah, it looks like I'm doing no work now, anyway. Look at the wave. Look at the wave. Proper kit. So the old intake pipe was that little thing. Now it's this monstrosity. Look at the size of it compared to that. That's fucking fit in it. Literally fit in it. Oh yeah. We've got to line that up, and then we just got to start with the airbox. Alright, so everything's been transferred over to the airbox. So you just got to do these rubber mounts, the breather pipe for the DSG, and this other breather. And then it should just go straight in, like 2 seconds. So that's all in, just plug straight in. DSG breather wraps around and then comes up. And then this just slides in. Just slides in and then you just bolt it up from, I can't see, there and there. And then we just got to line up all this, chuck the filter on, and call it a day. Alright, it is on. It is on. And it looks fucking cracker. The only problem was the heat shield, you got to extend it. And then that there, you got to loosely put it on. Alright, so we're doing these 034 subframe mounts now. So you got your front ones on the rear, and then you got your rear ones on the rear. And they just go, so one goes right there, and then the other one on the other side, right there. Just unbolt them, bolt them in. That is literally it. And then we'll do the mid pipes. Okay, so with these subframe mounts, you got to torque the rear ones if you're using the stock bolts to 90 Newton meters. If you're using new stretch bolts, you just got to do 70 and then another 180 degrees worth of torque. The 031 part number goes on the rear, and the 030s go on the front. And that is about it. You just do one at a time. Like, it's piss easy. There's the other one. There's another rear one. And all you gotta do is make sure the logo faces the front. That is all. There is the front. There is the rear. Right there. And then the same on the other side. Beautiful. Very easy. Now, I don't understand this mid-pipe situation. They said change the mid-pipes. So I got X-Force ones. But it looks like there's fucking nothing in them. They just look standard. So, I don't know what's going on there. About to find out. Okay, so mid-pipes are out. One on the left is the factory RS mid-pipe, and one on the right is an X-Force one. It's 5mm difference. It's fuck all. And they're not resonated nothing, so there is literally no difference at all. No difference at all. Fucking gimbal's going mental. No difference. No difference at all. Nothing. Alright. We move. Alright, stage one almost complete. So we've done the intake. we've done mid pipes, we've done the rear subframe mounts. Now I've just got to tune it. So I'll tune it later today. I'm going to clean it. We've got a few more things coming for the car quickly. And then finally should have it running nice and fun. Two cars together. This thing's a monster. This thing is becoming one. Will be. I'll give you guys a full rundown of this soon. It's the main car of the channel. And I still haven't even done fucking videos on it. But soon you'll get all the videos on it. What a car. What a thing to look at. What a fucking car. We've got a full rundown of this coming soon. I'll give you guys a full rundown on the F6, the star of the show, the proper street car, and apparently everyone's dream car. But what a car! What a car! Right, connected to the dongle. Now we are ready to flash it. We are ready. Focus. Alright, I've got the phone on charge, just so nothing dies. And all you do is you go to flashing, choose what we want to flash. So again, engine. Make sure it's set up on a trickle charger and everything, you don't want to fuck it. You go stage 1, we'll go 98. Let me just feel this out. And we begin. 0%. Nice. And turn back on. Clearing faults. Please wait. Programming successful. Stage 1 complete. No way. Nice. Took 8 minutes. 8 minutes and 6 seconds. We'll do a quick DSG tune. Bro, why is that one so quick? Didn't even film, it went straight to 50. Please turn the ignition off and press OK. okay. Turn the ignition back on. Press OK. Clearing faults. Please wait. Program is successful. But still got my fucking presense fault. You cunt. Not cunt right there. Standard fucking Audi. Anyway. Minute 15. Not bad. Minute 15.
Baby, I don't really wanna keep you waiting. Timing on a Sunday, timing on a Sunday. Take it. I don't really wanna keep you waiting.